In our cars, we not only want to be mobile, we also want to stay in touch on the phone. Whether it's for a quick chat or a longer call, with the infotainment system's hands-free phone function, you can safely make calls from behind the wheel. Learn how to connect your mobile phone to the infotainment system via Bluetooth, or how to call a contact from your phone book. Stay on call, even when behind the wheel. To switch to the phone screen, press the phone button. First of all, you need a Bluetooth connection between the infotainment system and a compatible mobile phone. Connecting a phone is easy, and it only takes a few steps. First, make sure that Bluetooth is enabled on your mobile phone and it is set to visible for other devices. Select your vehicle from the Bluetooth device list on your mobile phone. Then accept the request on the infotainment system. Confirm the connection on the infotainment system and your mobile phone. Finally, accept the profile selection. Some mobile phones require access to certain phone features, such as the address book. Keep an eye on your mobile phone and accept any related requests. Several functions are available, such as your contacts and call history. To call a contact, tap on Contacts and use the search function, or select a name from the list. Choose a phone number to start a call. Did you know that there is another quick way to accept or end a phone call? Press the phone button on the steering wheel to accept an incoming call. Press and hold the button to end the call. Incoming calls can be rejected in the same way.